How to upload photos to Canva mobile. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload photos to Canva on mobile using both Android and iPhone. First things first, if you have Canva app, simply open your Canva app on your iPhone or Android device. If you don't have it yet, you can simply go to your preferred web browser and simply open Canva and make sure to log into your account. Once you've done that, simply tap on the plus button to start a new design or open an existing project. Now to upload photos from your phone, what you need to do is simply tap on uploads at the bottom right corner. From there, simply tap on upload files. Click on device. Here you can simply find an option to simply take photo or video, photo library, choose files or Google Drive. As you can see here, once you simply tap on take photo or video, you can simply click your photo and simply tap on use photo. But if you want to upload from your gallery, simply go to device and simply tap on photo library. Simply choose the photo that you want to upload and simply tap and add at the top. Now you can see the photo is being uploaded. Once uploaded, you can simply drag and drop it onto your design. As you can see here, you can now adjust it however you prefer. And that's it. That's how you can simply upload photos to Canva on mobile and use them in your designs.